Hello, if you want to change a theme on your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit and go to themes. You will open Galaxy Themes Store, then we can make sure that we have themes selected over here in the bottom left corner. And of course we have different categories that we can go through. However, if you are looking only for free themes, then you can for instance choose top, and then on the left side over here you have this all text. You can tap on it in order to choose free so that you see only free stuff. And now let's choose any theme that you like. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then we can press download. Of course, in order to download this stuff, you will need to have Samsung account, but it is really easy to set up. You shouldn't have any issues with that. Simply follow the instructions that you will see on the screen in order to register or log into your account. Once it is downloaded, press apply. Wait a couple of seconds for the theme to be applied. There we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.